If you're ready to earn and manifest more money this month, then this video is for you. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. The number one thing that everybody wants is more money. Everybody wants financial freedom and security to be able to take care of their family and live a comfortable life. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, you just want to earn extra income for the holidays this month, whatever your circumstance may be, this video will show you how to earn and manifest more money. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a mixture of how to manifest more money and how to earn more money, and kind of marry the two together and give you options for both. A lot of people think that when you manifest money, it has to come out of thin air, and that's not true at all. You can manifest money through getting a better job. You can manifest money through selling things. The way you manifest money, it doesn't have to be out of thin air. There is this false concept that in order for something to manifest, it has to be something kind of like magical and mystical, and it just has to come to you out of nowhere. That's not how it works. You have to take inspired action, and sometimes that inspired action is in the form of earning money. If you're ready to earn an extra $1,000 or more this month, let's get started. In this day and age, there is no excuse to not be able to earn extra income each month. We have everything at the touch of a button. We have free resources with the internet. So there are so many opportunities that weren't available years ago. So first off, let's remove the stigma that money is hard to come by and money is hard to manifest and money is hard to earn. Your new motto from here on out is money flows to me easily and effortlessly. Because if you believe that money will come to you easily and effortlessly, it will. That's all part of the law of attraction. What you believe is what you will see. Where your mind goes, the universe shows. I say this in all my videos. If you agree with me, leave me a comment below. Where your mind goes, the universe shows. So take the stigma away from money. It's not hard to manifest. It's not hard to earn. Money flows to you easily and effortlessly. I have a whole video on that concept. I'll leave a link down below and a link up here. It's all about the millionaire mindset. It will transform your life, so I highly recommend it. I actually shared something recently on my Instagram that I want to share with you really quickly. And it's that we're always asking the universe for a sign, but what about when the universe is asking us for a sign? The universe responds to you just as much as you respond to the universe. Does that make sense? So sometimes the universe is asking us for a sign. If we're constantly drowning in debt or worried about money or not making the money that we want, have you ever thought the universe is maybe asking you for a sign? Maybe you need to make a move and show the universe what you want. Take inspired action and take control of all of the resources available to you to earn that extra income. Maybe the universe is asking you for a sign that you are ready to have financial abundance and freedom. So there's three concepts I'm going to talk about in this video. The first one is how to earn income as a side hustle. The next one will be how to earn passive income, meaning you just make money while you're sleeping, which is the best. And the last one is going to be how to manifest more money into your life. So like I said before, sometimes the universe is asking you for a sign. So if you're someone who's constantly worried about money or working at a job that doesn't pay you well or just stuck at a job you really don't enjoy, there are so many resources to earn extra income either from home or on your own terms. And I'm going to share a few of those ideas with you right now. So one of the ways that you can earn additional income each month is through YouTube or a blog. This one, I will say, fair disclaimer, it does take a lot more time and effort. It might not be something that takes off right away. It does take dedication, but if that's something that you enjoy doing, if you find a topic you're passionate about sharing and you just like doing videos or you like writing, this is a great creative outlet for you, and it might fulfill your purpose and align you with bigger, better things. It might lead to a full-time position, vlogging, blogging, doing YouTube. I honestly feel 100% blessed that I get to be a stay-at-home mom. I have my own business. I work on YouTube. I have so many different resources at my fingertips that allow me to live my purpose, and I am so grateful for it. So if you're a stay-at-home mom or someone who just wants to do something that they're passionate about, this is a great option for you. And like I said, it does take time to build it up, but if that's something that you're willing to devote time and energy to, you might be aligning with your purpose, and the universe will 100% support you. I promise. I've been there. I took the leap and the universe supported me, so you can do it too. If your time is something that's really important to you and you want to make your own hours, there are tons of resources for you to earn money on your terms. There are rideshare services like Uber and Lyft where you can make your own hours, work as much or as little as possible, and you really get that freedom of your own time in working on your terms. Sorry if the lighting just changed, the sun just came out, and my neighbor's playing really loud music. Anyway. So if you love animals, why don't you start pet sitting or dog walking? There are so many different websites that help you create your own schedule and do what you want on your terms. My husband and I have gone out of town a ton of times, and we've hired people to stay at home with our dog. And you get paid really well for it. So if you're an animal lover, why not try pet sitting or dog walking? There's websites like Dog Vacay and Rover, so you don't even have to advertise anywhere that this is a little side business for you. You're already supported with a company, and it's just so easy to do. Another great option to earn extra money is to start going through your things and sell the things that you don't use anymore. I guarantee you, if you went through your closets and your drawers and that junk drawer in your kitchen that everybody has, you will find things that you no longer use and you could easily sell to a thrift shop or online. There's Poshmark, Mercari, I think that's how you say it, Mercari. You could sell your clothes, you can thrift things, you can sell all of your baby clothes, your clothes. There are so many different ways to sell things that you no longer need or want. Have a garage sale. Why not be eco-friendly and recycle gently used items and allow other people to get use out of it rather than throwing them away? Selling your things that you no longer use is such a great way to earn extra money each month. Another great option if you feel like you are really crafty or artistic or feel like you can make things really well is opening up an Etsy shop. It doesn't take very long at all to open up your own Etsy shop, and then you can hand make items and sell them to other people. Everybody loves Etsy. I'm on there all the time looking for little crafty things because I'm not a very crafty person. So I really appreciate when someone is really artistic and can paint or build things or make beautiful objects that you can sell on Etsy. Why not pursue your passion and make money doing it? Start selling the objects you make. Start selling the paintings that you love making. You're aligning with your purpose and you get to make money doing it. It's a win-win. If you're a stay-at-home mom or you prefer a job where you can stay home and work your own hours, why not try being a virtual assistant? What skill set do you have? How can you help other people? Are you really good at transcribing or typing or social media? People always need virtual assistants. I've hired several virtual assistants, and honestly, it's so helpful as a business owner to be able to delegate tasks to other people. You get to work from your own home, most likely your own hours, because you basically just have to finish the project. And if you have any special skills like writing, proofreading, editing, social media, the sky is the limit. There's websites like Upwork where you just sign up to be a virtual assistant and get hired that way, or Fiverr. There are so many different options if you have the skills. Another amazing option in this day and age, if you like to write, you can be an author. Amazon now has a service where you can self-publish your own books. How amazing is that? If you've always wanted to write and have a passion for it and feel like you have something to say that other people would want to listen, why not write your own book and self-publish it on Amazon? Or if you have any special skills that you feel like you can teach people, why not create an online course? The platform I use for my online courses is through Kajabi. I'll leave a link down below and you'll get a special trial offer. It's an amazing online platform that hosts courses, so everything is super easy and they walk you through it step by step, and they have online chat. It's honestly a really amazing platform. You can build your email list. I can't say enough good things about Kajabi, so I'll leave a link down below if you want to start building your own business and selling your own courses. If you feel you have something to teach, why not do online courses? So the next concept I want to share with you is one of my all-time favorites. It's passive income. Income you earn when you're not actually working or doing something. It could be income you're earning while you're sleeping, eating, just whenever throughout your day. So passive income is probably everybody's goal. You basically make money from not really doing anything. Or you make money from setting up one thing and then it's done and you just keep making money off of it. Just like how actors get residuals and writers get money from books they sell, it's already done. They just keep getting money from something they've already done. So one of my personal favorite ways to earn passive income, I use it personally, so I'll share it with you, is through Rakuten. It's Rakuten. I'll leave a link down below. So Rakuten is kind of this amazing mystical thing. I don't know how it works, but basically you earn a lot of cash back on things you're already buying. So I do a lot of online shopping. It's something I prefer. I don't really like going to stores. I buy a lot of things on Amazon. Basically, I order everything online, to be honest. So with Rakuten, you just go to Rakuten, you create an account, it's completely free. And then from Rakuten, you just click on the retailer that you want to shop from. It takes you right to that retailer site and you just purchase things through there and then get cash back on all your purchases. It's honestly a win-win. I don't really know how it works. You will be shocked at how much it adds up to each month when you're just getting cash back on things you buy online already. It could be up to hundreds of dollars a month. So it's honestly a win-win. I use it and love it. So I'm going to leave my link down below. And then if you decide you want to refer friends to it, which why wouldn't you? You get free cash back on your purchases. You'll get $25 for every friend you refer, and they'll get $10 as well. So if you use my link down below, you get $10 automatically after your first purchase. And then if you want to refer people, you could start getting referral fees as well. It doesn't cost anything at all, and you really just get passive income from things you're already buying online. And they basically have all the major retailers. So that's Rakuten.com. And like I said, I'll leave my link down below. Another great way to earn income, if you have any sort of following whatsoever on social media, Instagram, blogs, YouTube, is through the Amazon affiliate program. So with the Amazon affiliate program, you basically can link products and you get it's a very, very small commission on items from Amazon. So that's another option if you want to join the Amazon affiliate program. It's completely international. It's in, I think, most countries at this point. But that really only works if you have some kind of social media presence or like a blog or a YouTube or a business or something where you can share products with other people and earn a small income. Through my YouTube, they actually offered me an Amazon storefront now. So I actually put all of my favorite law of attraction books, crystals, manifesting tools, all of that you can find in one place if you're interested. You just visit amazon.com/shop/Mary Kate, and there you can find all of my favorite things. I also included a lot of my other favorite things, just things for the home, baby and pregnancy, all of it. So you can find all of my favorite things there, but you'll find all of my favorite law of attraction books there, my manifesting tools, my favorite crystals, all in one place. If you're watching this at the time I upload it, I also have a little section I added in there just for the holidays called Flashsigns. And I pride myself on being really good at finding online deals. So in the Flash Finds section, you will see tons of all of the best Amazon deals going on for that day. I update it daily. So if that's something you are into and want to see all the best deals on Amazon for that day, there's a section called Flash Finds. It's kind of perfect for holiday shopping. And if you use Rakuten, you also get cash back from Amazon. So you get cash back for your holiday shopping, and it's a win-win. So that's amazon.com/shop/Mary Kate. So some of these passive incomes go hand in hand with some of the earned incomes. For example, like on Etsy, if you make a bunch of artwork, you've done all the work already. So when the sales start coming through, that's passive income, because sales could come through while you're sleeping, while you're going about your day. You never know when it's going to happen. And if you decide to build an online course and it's something that's automated, then you'll be earning income whenever someone purchases that course. So as long as you do the work up front, you still get paid over and over again in the form of passive income. I could honestly go on about this all day. If you like this video so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and I'll make a whole nother video and share a ton of more information on earning additional income. But I want to get on to the last topic to not make this video too long. So the last topic I want to talk about is how to manifest more money. Like I said at the beginning of the video, take the stigma away from manifesting money. The reason that so many people want to manifest money is because they make money out to be this hard, intangible thing. It's just as easy to manifest a cup of coffee as it is to manifest money. There is no difference to the universe on the value of the two. So the second you decide that money is no longer hard, you open yourself up to be able to receive massive amounts of abundance. Whenever you're asking for money or trying to manifest money, always state to the universe, I want this or something better. Always leave the or something better, because as soon as you take away the stigma of money and make it not so hard, you open yourself up. And the second you open yourself up to abundance, the universe usually delivers even more than what you asked for. So always state or more. It's so important. Don't sell yourself short when the universe can deliver a lot more than you're asking for. I have tons of videos and resources on how to manifest money. Just go through my channel. I'll leave a couple links below. But something I want you to get started on this week as soon as possible is doing my meditations. I know it sounds crazy. You might not be a person who likes to meditate, and you might not feel like you have time. I promise you do, and I promise you they will transform your life and they work. If you don't believe me, just go read through all the comments. My meditations truly work. I use subconscious programming that I do with my clients, and it really truly gets you results. One of my favorite ones right now is the morning miracle meditation. You do it every morning for 28 days, and it will transform your life from the inside out. I've received tons of messages from people saying they've had unexpected raises, special gifts. There are so many really fun stories I have about that I've received about that one. I have an abundance programming meditation. I have a chakra balancing meditation where you become an energetic match for what you want to create. I have a gratitude meditation because gratitude attracts miracles. There are so many different options that I would love to share with you. Honestly, I would say start with one or two at a time. Pick the ones that really resonate with you the most and continue the practice, because it's just like building any other muscle. You might not be good at it at first, but it's something that takes practice and effort, and it honestly seamlessly will blend into your routine and it will transform your life. Subconscious programming is so unbelievably powerful because your mindset dictates what happens in your life. So if you want to transform your life, subconscious programming will help you do that. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I condensed a lot of information into one short video. So if you enjoyed it, like I said before, leave me a comment below and I'll make another one of these videos and go into more topics, give you more ideas on how to earn, manifest, and get passive income, because I love sharing this with you and because everybody wants to manifest money and have that financial freedom. So if you'd like to see more of this kind of videos, leave me a comment below and I'll make some more of them for you. I feel so honored to be able to share all about the law of attraction and manifesting and earning more money into your life and financial freedom and security and how you can consciously create your own life. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And be sure to check out my Instagram at mkmagicmindset and visit my website, mkmagicmindset.com. There you can find my online courses, tons of law of attraction tips, resources, tricks, and so much more. So that's mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.